everybody, my name is Teacher Alexis and we are going to be baking some cookies today. We're going to start by getting our feet into a nice cookie bowl. Can you guys put the bottoms of your feet together like this so we can make a cookie bowl? Nice job. Now we're going to pick some ingredients. Can we start off with some flour? Let's reach up to the top shelf. And we're gonna grab some flour and let's do 2 cups of flour. Are we ready? 1, 2. Awesome job. Now I think we should put in some sugar. Can we reach to the side? Reach. Awesome job. Let's grab some sugar and let's do 3 cups of sugar. Are we ready? 1, 2, and 3. Nice job. Okay, friends, we have flour, we have sugar. Let's put in some butter. Can we reach to the other side? Reach. Grab some butter and let's do 2 sticks of butter. Are we ready? 1, 2. Awesome job. What else should we put in? I think we should put in some chocolate chips. Can we reach forward, grab some chocolate chips from the middle shelf? Reach. Nice job. And let's do 3 cups of chocolate chips. Are we ready? We have 1, 2, and 3. Awesome job, friends. Let's do one more ingredient. How about we do some sprinkles? Can we reach forward? Our sprinkles are on the bottom shelf. Let's reach down low. Nice job. Grab some sprinkles and let's sprinkle them inside. Nice job, friends. Okay, it's time to mix our batter. Can we get 1 mixing spoon ready? Whoa, nice job. And we're gonna mix it 3 times. Are we ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Friends, our cookie dough is so big. We need another mixing spoon. Can we get our other foot out? Nice. And let's stir it 3 times. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome job, friends. Now it's time to take our batter and roll it out nice and flat. Can we get our triangle legs out? Awesome job. It's like we're making a triangle. If we go from one foot to the other, up and down again, I see a triangle. Nice job. Can we get out our rolling pin? We're gonna roll it out 5 times. Can you guys count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Beautiful job, friends. Okay, now we're gonna choose our shape. You guys can do circles, you can do hearts, or you can do triangles. Pick your shape and let's make 10 cookies. Teacher Alexis is gonna do heart shape today. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome job, friends. They're ready to go into the oven. Can we pick up our cookie pan? Reach, and put them in the oven. Nice job. Okay, now we wait. Can you guys help me sing a waiting song? It's about our cookie clock. Can we reach from toe to toe? Nice job. And let's sing this song. Tick, tock, tick, tock. I'm a little cookie clock. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Ding, 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 ding. Awesome job, friends. They're ready. Before we reach into the oven, we need to put on our oven mitts. You guys can choose your color, your design. Teacher Alexis has yellow, sparkly oven mitts today. Nice. Are your oven mitts on? Great. Let's reach forward, grab our cookies from the oven, and let's put them on the counter. Nice. They smell so yummy. Can we smell them with our nose? Are we ready? They smell great. Okay, friends, let's try one. We can reach and grab a cookie, but wait. Let's blow on them because they're still a little bit hot. Take a big deep breath and blow. Awesome, let's try one. They're delicious. We did a great job, friends. Give yourself a round of applause. Nice work. Thank you, friends. That's all for today. You guys did an awesome job making some cookies. If you guys want to see more videos like this, you can follow us and subscribe at JAMaROO Kids. Thank you so much and have a good day.